people buy on emotions and then they back it up with logic. So that's why we use emotional words. That's why we tell stories, because it connects to our emotions. That's why people remember songs so well, because songs have emotions in them. And so a couple of things: always tell stories, whether it's your email, social media post, your story, client stories. Stories are going to be a number one way to communicate your message, because they have emotions. I mean, this is what the TV and movie industry depends on, is stories. And when you watch a movie, you run the whole gamut of emotions. You're excited, you're fearful, there's this underdog who's on this journey, and then he comes up against conflict, and you might be sad part of the way through, but then at the end, it's victorious.